This is Unit 3 test. Number 1. A class had 22 students. Each student bought a yearbook for $13. Which of the following number sentences could be used to find the total amount that the class spent on yearbooks? Number 2. Mr. Smith wants to plant 24 rose bushes in equal rows in his garden. The drawing below shows one plan for planting the roses. Which number reflects the model above to show one plan for planting the roses? Number 3. Look at the problem below. 100 times 34 equals N. Describe what digits you will see in the tens and ones places of the product. Show or explain how you found your answer. Number 4. Karen ordered a set of 12 crock charms for each of her nieces. She has 8 nieces. How many crock charms did she order altogether? Number 5. The restaurant owner purchased 21 cartons of a dozen eggs. Which of the following number sentences could be used to find the total number of eggs purchased by the owner? Number 6. The table below shows the time it will take Mandy to run different distances. If Mandy runs at the same speed, what is one way to find how long it will take her to run 19 miles? On the left, there is the distance in miles, and on the right of the table, it's time in minutes. Your answer choices are F, add 19 plus 7, G, subtract 7 from 19, H, multiply 19 by 7, and J, multiply 19 by 19. Number 7. Rachel tore up one piece of wax paper into confetti for a parade. She tore the wax paper into 7 horizontal strips. Then she tore each strip into 8 pieces of confetti. How many pieces of confetti did she have in all? Number 8. The Miller family traveled to North Carolina for a family reunion. On the first day, they drove 246 miles. If they are able to travel the same number of miles each day, what is the best estimate for the total number of miles they will travel over the 4-day trip? Number 9. Enchanted Rock in Central Texas is 152 meters tall. Ayers Rock in Australia is 348 meters tall. About how much taller is Ayers Rock than Enchanted Rock? Number 10. Which number could replace the question mark to make the number sentence true? Question mark times 7 equals 84. Number 11. Tom collected stamps from other countries. He placed 30 stamps in his album each day for 2 weeks. How many stamps did Tom place in his album? Number 12. Baby Julia is stacking blocks. She uses 49 blocks. Which picture shows how she stacked her blocks? Number 13. Daryl bought 6 bags of candy for the class party. There were 123 pieces of candy in each bag. Which of the following is the best estimate of the number of pieces of candy Daryl bought? Number 14. The 68 passengers on an airplane will each have a salad for lunch. Each person will be served 12 ounces of salad. How many ounces of salad must be stored on the airplane? Number 15. There are 19 students in Mr. Lane's class. Each student made 8 pies for the bake sale. What is the best estimate for the total number of pies the students made? Number 16. The table below lists the multiplication facts for the number 9. On the left is the multiplier. On the right is the product. What is the relationship between the first digit of the product and the multiplier? Number 17. Mr. Potter enjoys camping and especially likes to count stars at night. The table shows the number of stars Mr. Potter counts after different numbers of nights camping. On the left is the number of nights camping. On the right is the total number of stars. If the pattern continues, how many stars might Mr. Potter count after 36 nights of camping? Number 18. Kennedy Elementary students collected coins to raise money for the local food bank. The table shows the amount raised by 4 students. Which shows the students in order from greatest to least amount of money raised for the food bank? A. Harvey, Melissa, J. Dominic. B. Melissa, Dominic, Harvey, J. D. Melissa, Harvey, J. Dominic. Or D. J. Harvey, Dominic, Melissa. Number 19. Carl takes care of his neighbor's dogs while they are on vacation. The table shows how much he earns. The top lists the number of dogs, the bottom is the amount of money he earns for those dogs. Which statement below describes the relationship between the number of dogs and the amount of money Carl earns? A. He earns $12 for each dog he watches. B. He earns $24 for each dog he watches. C. He earns $7 for each dog he watches. Or D. He earns $16 for each dog he watches. Number 20. Use a ruler to answer the question below. Daniel is covering the floor of his kitchen with tile. How much tile will he need to cover his floor? This is the end.